In today's video, we'll introduce you to some of the top online earning apps that can help you make money right from your smartphone. These apps provide various opportunities to earn extra income, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig. Let's dive in and discover the possibilities. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards app that allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. Accumulate points, Swagbucks, and redeem them for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Number 2. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects you with people in your local area who need help with various tasks. Whether it's furniture assembly, home cleaning, or moving assistance, you can earn money by offering your skills and services. Number 3. Uber and Lyft. If you have a car and enjoy driving, consider becoming a driver for ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft. Set your own schedule and earn money by giving rides to passengers in your area. This is a flexible option that allows you to earn on your terms. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers from around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketing expert, you can find clients and earn money by completing projects in your area of expertise. Number 5. TaskBucks. TaskBucks is an app that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks, such as downloading apps, filling out surveys, or referring friends. You can redeem your earnings for mobile recharge, bill payments, or cash through mobile wallets. Number 6. Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, consider listing it on Airbnb. This app allows you to rent out your space to travelers and earn extra income. Provide a comfortable and welcoming experience for your guests to receive positive reviews and attract more bookings. Number 7. Foap. Foap is a platform that lets you sell your photos online. Take high-quality pictures with your smartphone, upload them to Foap, and when someone purchases your photo, you earn money. This is a great option if you have a passion for photography. Number 8. Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex allows you to earn money by delivering packages for Amazon. As a driver, you'll pick up packages from Amazon warehouses and deliver them to customers. This is a flexible gig that lets you choose your own working hours. Number 9. iPoll. iPoll is a survey app that rewards you for sharing your opinions. Complete surveys and provide valuable feedback to earn cash or gift cards. This is a simple and convenient way to earn money in your spare time. Number 10. Etsy. If you're a creative person and enjoy making handmade crafts, jewelry, or artwork, Etsy is the perfect app for you. Create an online shop, showcase your products, and sell them to a global audience. With Etsy, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. These top online earning apps provide excellent opportunities to make money right from your smartphone. Whether you choose to complete surveys, offer services, drive for ride-sharing companies, or sell your products online, these apps offer flexibility and convenience. Explore these options, find the ones that align with your skills and interests, and start earning today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on online earning opportunities.